To activate a Barclays credit card, start by opening the Barclays website in your browser and locating the login form in the top right corner. Enter your username and password. Then click the login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you will see your current balance and available credit, as well as a notification to activate your account. Click on the Activate Now link within this notification. After verifying your information, a message will confirm that your card is ready to use, stating that the card has been activated. Click the blue Continue button to complete the process. Your card can now be used for purchases in stores and online. To avoid late payments, it is recommended that you set up automatic payments, ensuring your credit card bill is always paid on time. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Barclays credit card online through the bank's website.